Wow.
Hi, I'm Mr. Luke Southerton. Today I'm going to show you how to make a giant bubble wand. Next time you're at a party with little kids, you're going to be the hero. Hero! And even if you just know how to have fun, you'll really enjoy this project. Alright, let's see what's in the kit. This packet of directions, make sure you read the whole thing. It actually tells you how to do it in there. Answer all the questions. There's an answer key. Check your answers in the answer key. There's a bag to help you make the bubble mix. 18 feet of string, a washer, and 2 eye screws. If you want to make your own kits, I use a 1/4 cup of the Blue Dawn dish detergent. Make sure you get the Dawn. About 1½ teaspoons of glycerin. You can get that in the skincare section at a pharmacy. And about 1½ teaspoons of baking powder. First I'm going to show you how to make the solution. All you have to do is mix this bag with 4 cups of water. So I'm going to go ahead and pour the bag into the bowl. And the thing is, it's not all going to come out. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to actually start adding my water. But rather than adding the water directly to the bowl, I'm going to add it to the bag. And I'll sort of swish it around. And I'm trying to empty this bag out. So I'll do that 3 more times, so I have a total of 4 cups.
But how? What are the drawings? Bubble stuff, bubble stuff, bubble stuff.
Yeah. Alright, so now I'm going to stir this together so it mixes together well and that everything's dissolved. As you may know, if you use warm water, things will dissolve more easily than if you use cold water. Also, avoid creating this frothy suds on the top. I mean, a little bit's unavoidable, but try not to let that happen.
No, making bubbles.
You want to stir it for me? Okay.
Don't drop the spoon. This.
Alright, next I'm going to show you how to make the bubble wand. You'll need 2 sticks. You can use dowel rods if you have them, or you can just go find some sticks somewhere and use that. Life hack, if you don't have sandpaper, you can always use some concrete to sort of sand off any nasty little feathery things. Next I'm going to twist the eye screws into the ends of my sticks. Alright, next you're going to take your 18 feet of string, and I want you to create 3 sections. First section 9 feet long, second section 6 feet long, third section 3 feet long. If you don't have a tape measure to measure 9 feet, how do you think you can divide 18 feet into 9 feet? What do you think? How can we divide 18 feet into 9 feet? What I'll do is I'll just divide it in half. So if I just cut this in half, I just cut it in half, then I'll have my 9 feet. And a little math problem for you here. How can I divide this into 3 feet?
3?
The answer is divide it into thirds. So it's going to take a little bit of eyeballing.
So right there, it's pretty much divided into thirds. See that? Let's see if I cut it here. And I have my 3 and 6 half sections.
Alright, now to finish the wand, I'm going to stick the string through the washer. I'm just going to start with a 3-foot string. I'll stick it through both the loops and the eye screws. And then I will just take these 2 ends and tie them together.
Tie them together.
And my bow wand is actually completed. Let's give it a try. So I have the string and the washers on there. I actually tried 2 washers, that seems to work better. I'll submerge it in the solution, pour it out, and then sort of just back away.
Kick it. It
Got a big bubble.
Whoops. It popped on my foot.
Alright, so next I'm going to try the 6 feet of string.
Clean up my mess first. Kick it. So giant.
Yeah, alright.
Yeah.
That was amazing.
Yeah.
It was amazing.
Anyway, have fun with it. You'll document some of your results, and again, it's a good time.